want you guys to take these bottles and fill them with oil using the funnel.
Okay.
About, well, hold on, about up to here.
Okay. Okay, I can.
Okay, Trinity does one and Aiden will do the other.
There's a scratch mark right where you want it.
Okay.
Whoa. It just went
One, somebody hold the bottle still in the funnel and the other person pour.
You have to leave the funnel up a little bit so air gets in.
Yeah,
So it doesn't fill up.
yeah. Keeps it from glugging.
What's glugging?
It's a,
Look. Ah, it looks like pee. Ew. It looks like pee. I know. Look. It also looks like honey. Uh-huh.
oh, it's oil.
And stop at the squash.
Good.
That's good.
Yep, right at the scratch.
Now the other bottle.
Okay. I thought Ada was...
Is the tablets gonna fit in there? Oh, you just break it.
Yeah. I think it might fit though. We'll see.
Oh, careful.
Oh, don't overflow the funnel.
No, that, you do not want to clean up oil off the table.
Good.
That's good, yeah.
I see.
All right, now fill it up to here with water. Add this much water to each jug. Just
up to that
here.
line. Up to that line.
Hold the funnel down.
Up
Yeah.
to the line.
Lift the funnel up a little.
Last line. This way. Look, it looks like
That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, now the other bottle. You just need a little bit of water. You don't need much. Yeah, the water's gonna go to the bottom.
That's enough.
That's good.
There you go.
All right,
Way too much.
That's fine.
that's fine. All right, where is the? Okay, Aiden, pick one color.
I want to pick one. I want to do something.
All right,
Okay, the other.
yeah. Let's let it sit for a second.
Bang off so the bubbles come up. No.
Wow, I see Look at it. Look at this one bottom. Sit. You might. Are we making the soda?
No,
What are we making?
we'll show you. We're gonna see a chemical reaction.
Are we gonna have to put the lid back on really quick?
No,
So that's what that
Now-
wheels are for?
one of you put a bunch of drops of one color in one bottle, and the other put a bunch.
Drops. That's good.
You need quite a bit.
That's quite a bit.
Should I keep doing it?
I didn't see how
Okay.
much you put in. Yeah.
Put it all in. Put it all in.
It looks so cool when it falls to the bottom.
That's it, Aiden. There's no more left. It's the whole bottle.
What a mess.
Try to make it so it doesn't go on the side. It goes straight down in the liquid.
Should I make it shape?
Nope.
You use the whole
Just-
bottle.
Just leave it.
Looks like
You don't need to
slime.
shake it.
That looks so cool. They look like little I'm gonna go wash my hands. Do they
Okay.
look like little
It doesn't even look like it's a liquid.
Waiting. Do they look like waiting beans? They have to be going fast. They look like they're going in slow
Oh, Hope, I don't
motion.
want you to play with that, honey. It'll sting you.
They look like big beans.
There.
What? No, they look like they're
What's that
going in
rim
slow
dog?
motion. I'll smile.
Why is it floating?
I don't know why that one is floating.
That's really weird.
All of them are floating. Maybe it's a chunk.
All right. Now, set these in the center of the table. Now, open, you're gonna take one, and you take the other, and put both in each bottle. Okay, just rip up, open the package, and put the tablets in.
Tablets.
Yeah.
Look, ain't it the bottom? Ain't it both tablets?
You don't need to. This is
No.
Ain't it looks blue?
Here.
Okay, just one at a time.
We'll put them both in at the same time.
Okay.
crack it in half.
Yeah. Put them both in and try to,
Yeah, crack them both in half.
and then put them in.
You're not listening.
You're not, no, break them both in half,
Yeah.
and then put it all in at the same time.
Yeah.
They smell gross.
Yeah.
They
Leave it, honey. I
smell
don't
like-
want you touching them.
It smells gross.
Okay.
Smell
There you go. Now, put them in.
What's gonna happen?
It's gonna blow up on your face.
What? Hurry up. I'll put it in the center so everybody can see.
Oh, it's going to. Is it going to explode?
No. It's called homemade lava lamps.
Oh,
How long do they last?
Oh, a few minutes.
That one's
That
cool.
looks so cool.
Oh,
Lava.
Trinity, this is definitely a
If you
lava.
put both blue and red in the same bar, will it make purple?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
There. Look at it.
So bubbles.
Oh. Look at the side.
yeah.
Both the sides. Ah! Oh my god. So
Big chunks of bubbles. Look for the top.
it looks like lava. It looks like
Wow, that was cool, guys.
Here, add 2 more teaspoons.
Yay!
No.
Again,
Yeah. See if it does it again.
Okay. I wonder what it would be like if you put 4 in. Yeah, they smell gross. Gross. Gross.
You want to put 4 in at a time?
Yeah. Can I put one?
Nope. Stop.
I want to put one in.
No, let the older kids do it. You guys sit down and watch.
Oh, yes. I get to watch. I can't wait.
Yep, go ahead. Make sure you get all the pieces.
Quick, put it in. Oh my goodness, I'm going to watch it. Oh, it's doing twice.
Wow.
Oh, look, some spelling up. Go down. Look,
No more.
it's about to blow up. Oh, look at it. It's about to blow
Too
up.
foamy.
Mommy, can we put all of them in?
No. That's enough. Honey, no.
Whoa.
I wonder what would happen if no air got in. Oh wow, that's so
The
dark.
pressure would build up inside the bottles.
It's all foamy on it.
And what would happen?
No air's getting in.
What would
No more. No, Chloe. Put the lid back on
It
there.
was sucking in. Stick your hand on it. Stick your hand on, Chloe.
Don't shake it, please.
No, it hasn't been.
What did you guys think?
Yeah, that's
cool.
not sucking.
Let's do it again.
No. What did you guys think, though?
It was really cool.
Cool?
Yeah, it
There's
was.
still
You got
bubbles
food coloring
floating.
on your lip.
It was like,
Did you like that?
yeah.
All
The
over your
tablet caused the reaction.
my
With the,
Let's do
go wash them.
8 or all the rest.